Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and this is Mehjabin. Today I am going to explain the poem Count That Day Lost. This poem was composed by Mary Ann Evans, who wrote under the pen name George Eliot. Through this poem, the writer tries to convey the message about what one needs to do to live a meaningful life. If you sit down at set of sun. Now the poetess is saying that if a person sits down at the end of the day, at the time of sunset or maybe after sunset, and count the acts that you have done, and if that person starts counting the good deeds, the deeds that he had done, the activities that he had engaged in, and the acts that he had done, and counting find one self-denying deed, and after counting, if he discovers one selfless act, self-denying deed means selfless and deed means act, one word that eased means comforted or soothed or gave happiness, one word that eased the heart of whom he heard, if he had spoken one word that had comforted the heart of the person who had heard his word, one glance most kind, if he had given a compassionate glance or a compassionate look at somebody, one glance most kind, kind means soft, tender, compassionate, that fell like sunshine where it went, and that kind look, that gentle look gave the acted like sunshine wherever it went, then you may count that day well spent. So the poetess means to say that if that kind look or if that gentle word, that selfless word, if it was uttered by somebody and the person who heard that word or got that glance, that soft, tender, compassionate glance, that person must have felt it like sunshine. And in such a situation, the person who gave that look, that tender look, and the person who spoke that compassionate word, he may count, he may think, he may consider that his day had been spent well, had been spent meaningfully. But if through all the livelong day, livelong means entire day, but if through all the livelong or if through all the day, the whole day, you have cheered no heart, the poetess says that, tells her reader that if you have not given happiness to anybody, by yea or nay, that means by any kind of positive word, by any yes or no, if through it all you have nothing done that you can trace that brought the sunshine to one face, sunshine means happiness, no act most small that helps some soul and nothing cost, then count that day as worse than lost. So the poetess means to say that if you have cheered no heart, if you have not given happiness to any soul, by yea or nay, that means by any yes or no, by any simple word of yes or no, if through it all you have nothing done that you can trace, and after counting all your activities for the day, if you can trace, you can track not a single deed or not a single word that would make you believe that you have made somebody's life or day meaningful, that brought the sunshine to one face, and if you have not been able to give any kind of happiness, pleasure, delight, comfort to a single face, no act most small, even if it was through some small act, through some small act of kindness, for which you wouldn't have been required to spend any money, that helps some soul and nothing cost, something that wouldn't have required any money to be spent, then count that day as worse than lost. Then your day, your entire day had been worse than lost. That means it would have been an unfulfilling day, a day that had not given you any kind of productivity. It would have been a lost day, but not only a lost day, it would have been something worse than lost. That means it would have been a total failure. That entire day would have been a total failure. So that's all for today. I'll be uploading a video on featuring the summary of this poem very soon. So consider subscribing to my channel if you like this kind of content. Meet you again very soon. Bye.